Welcome Turnin and Burnin, and welcome to Firebird Friday. It's been a long time since I have put the car on the channel and talked about the car, and I apologize if you have been following along. But today is Nolan's vlog. He told me I need to get my rear end in gear and start getting some videos out on this. So he took it upon himself and he walked outside and from the office right over here. He came out here and he started vlogging. So this is Nolan's vlog, and I promise you I'm gonna start bringing some more videos out very soon, and we're getting closer and closer to running that engine into the car. Getting excited. So enjoy Nolan's vlog. Oh, and don't forget, go to his apparel, rowdyroosterapparel.com. check out some of his cool shirts, his designs, and I'll pick you up one or two. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.
It's my dad right here. My dad is a car. That's a burning. I'm barking.
It actually is Friday. It's Firebird Friday.
My dad is a car. That was a missing car.
What's that?
The regular car.
I'm restoring it. I'm trying to figure out right now.
Yeah.
This rear end needs to move over about a quarter inch.
I said a car that.
Once I move that over, then I'll be in good shape to start finishing some other stuff.
So my dad's car is a car with dad, and my dad is back here with the pen right there, brushes, and there's a chairs. That side, the cursor right here, and the chip partner right there, and tires right here, car, my dad, but
Right on, buddy.
Okay, tell me, the chip button, or just right.
You should like and subscribe, Turn and Burn on YouTube, and you can watch Firebird Fridays. Check it out whenever we work on this car.
Yep. And